Today, we're going to practice listening and understanding English by talking about technology. Technology is a great topic because we all use technology every day. You're using technology to watch this video right now. So let's talk about some different kinds of technology today. Computer technology. One really important type of technology is computer technology. Computers today are much different than computers from the past. 20 or 30 years ago, computers were really limited. They couldn't do the things that computers do today. In the past, they were also really big. But today, computers come in many different sizes. Computers today are fast, powerful, and easy to use. Computer games. I remember when I first started using the computer. I was 6 years old. I liked playing computer games, but all of the games were very basic at that time. I still thought they were really fun. Today, computer games are very complex. Some people play games on their computers for fun, while others play games professionally. The gaming industry has grown a lot, and people can even make a living by playing games. Cell phones. Now, let's talk about cell phones. When I was a kid, not many people had cell phones. Most people used landlines, which are phones inside your house. Nowadays, not many people have landlines. Everyone has cell phones now. I remember getting my first cell phone when I was 12 years old. I thought it was so cool. These days, phones are extremely important because you can do almost anything on your phone. Smartphones. Most people now have smartphones. Smartphones are like small computers that you can carry in your pocket. You can use them to call, text, browse the internet, and use many different apps. Smartphones have changed the way we communicate and live. However, it's important to use smartphones wisely and not spend too much time on them. The internet. I think the most important technology today is the internet. Most people use the internet every day to do many things. People like me need the internet in order to work. If I don't have the internet, I can't work. We also use the internet to study, shop, and entertain ourselves. I can't imagine not having the internet. I use it for many hours every day. How about you? How many hours a day do you use the internet? Online learning. The internet has also made online learning possible. People can now study from anywhere in the world using the internet. There are many courses and resources available online for learning. Online learning is convenient and flexible, but it requires discipline and motivation to succeed. Online shopping. Another popular use of the internet is online shopping. People can buy almost anything online and have it delivered to their homes. Online shopping is convenient, but it's important to be careful and avoid scams. It's also good to support local businesses when possible. Technology of the past. Now, let's talk about technology of the past. For example, one really important invention was the motorized vehicle, or the car. Before cars, people traveled by horse, by foot, or in other ways. When the car was invented, people were able to travel more easily. Cars from the past looked very different from today's cars. I think old cars look pretty cool. Electricity. Another really important invention was electricity. Before electricity, people had to use candles and fire for light. At night, the cities were much darker than today. Nowadays, our cities have so much light at night. And of course, we use electricity for so many different things today. Sometimes the electricity goes out and everything stops working. I hate when the electricity goes out. Television. One more important invention was the television. In the past, television was the greatest form of entertainment. Everyone sat down in the evenings and watched TV. Nowadays, more people watch TV shows on their computers, like on Netflix. Many young people prefer doing everything on their computers or cell phones. Medical technology. Technology is also important in medicine. Medical technology has improved a lot and helps people stay healthy. Doctors use technology to diagnose and treat diseases. There are also many apps and devices that help people track their health and fitness. Transportation technology. Technology has also changed transportation. Cars, airplanes, and trains have become faster and safer thanks to technology. Electric cars are becoming more popular because they are better for the environment. Autonomous vehicles, or self-driving cars, are also being developed, and they might change the way we travel in the future. Communication technology. Communication technology has also changed the way we interact with each other. We can now call, text, or video chat with people all around the world. Social media platforms allow us to share our thoughts and connect with friends and family. However, it's important to use communication technology responsibly and avoid spreading false information or engaging in harmful behavior. Technology is a big part of our lives and continues to change the world. It's important to use technology wisely and to appreciate the benefits it brings while being mindful of its drawbacks.